Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a resume using Google Docs templates. Crafting a resume can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're unsure where to start or what format to use. But don't worry, with Google Docs, creating a professional and polished resume has never been easier. In this guide, we're going to make the process smooth and straightforward, helping you produce a resume you can confidently send out into the job market. First things first, let's get started by opening Google Docs. You can do this by going to docs.google.com and signing in with your Google account. If you're already in Google Drive, you have the option to start from there too. Simply click on New, select Google Docs, and then choose from a template. Both methods will lead you to the same destination, which is the template gallery. Once you're in the template gallery, scroll down to find the Resumes section. Here, you'll discover a variety of clean and professional templates. Whether you're looking for something elegant like Coral, modern like Modern Writer, fresh like Spearmint, classic like Serif, or minimalistic like Swiss, there's a template that will match the tone of your industry. For those who want even more variety, third-party templates from trusted sources such as The Good or JobScan can be explored. However, it's crucial to choose a design that remains simple and easy for employers to scan quickly. Now that you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it with your information. Replace the placeholder text with your details, starting with your name and contact information. Next, write a concise summary that reflects your professional goals and highlights your strengths. For the work experience section, use short, impactful bullet points. Start each point with strong action verbs and aim to highlight any measurable achievements. Organize your resume with clear headings for each section, which helps both hiring managers and applicant tracking systems, ATS, find the information they need swiftly. When it comes to fonts and formatting, simplicity is key. Opt for simple, readable fonts and maintain consistent spacing throughout your document. A logical hierarchy in your layout not only looks professional, but also enhances readability. If you're just starting your career, a single page is ideal. However, if you have more extensive experience, a two-page resume is perfectly acceptable. Before finalizing, take time to review and edit your resume meticulously. Run a spell check and a grammar check to catch any errors. Reading your resume out loud can also help you identify awkward phrasing or areas that need improvement. If you'd like feedback, you can easily share your document by clicking the Share button. Invite a trusted friend or mentor to review your resume and set their permissions to commenter, enabling them to provide suggestions without altering the original. For those applying online, ensure your resume is ATS friendly. Avoid overly complex layouts, multiple columns, text boxes, or heavy graphics that can confuse automated systems. Stick with standard section labels like experience, education, and skills, and keep your dates and job titles formatted consistently. When you're ready to send your resume, remember that Google Docs saves your changes automatically. To share a final copy, go to File, then Download, and choose PDF to preserve the layout, or Microsoft Word.docx if a specific format is requested by the employer or their application portal. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional resume using Google Docs, ready to be sent out for applications. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create a resume using Google Docs templates. If you want more videos, like how to create a resume using Google Docs templates, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.